Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can extend C drive in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So you must have unallocated space directly to its right on the same physical disk. So use this if you already have unallocated space. So open disk management. So right here on this Windows, in this button here, right click it and then select disk management, and this thing needs to open up right over here like that. Now create unallocated space if none exist, so right click the partition immediately to the right of C. So right here, so right over here we will select that one, and then right here click on it with the right click, and then select shrink volume to create space. So Windows can't move this space, it will appear to the right. So if the D portion is empty or backed up, select delete volume to create a adjacent unlocated space. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.